If you love waffles like we do, you are going to love this sweet potato waffle recipe. You will want it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and it all starts with cooking up one medium sweet potato. Welcome to Ghost Toast Kitchen. Let me tell you about this sweet potato waffle recipe. It started as a banana waffle. We made that. You can check the video out at the end of this one. But we thought, why stop there? And so we adapted it and made it into a sweet potato waffle. Now, like I've already mentioned, you start with one sweet potato, peel it, cut it up, boil it. And then it's very simple to just add all your ingredients in there. We're talking baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, flour, an egg, and some vanilla. Just mix it all in there. There's no need to separate and mix the dry and wet ingredients separate from each other. This is an easy recipe. It's so easy that we actually freeze them and have them later for other meals. We will eat these sometimes multiple times a week. Pair them with some bacon, put our favorite syrup on them. You've got a meal. It's comfort food. Comfort food, at least for us, reminds us of times in our childhood when our mothers or grandmothers would make pancakes or waffles for us on a Saturday or a Sunday morning. And those times that we would just sit with them and listen to their stories and tell them about our day, or even just tell them what happened on the cartoons we watched this morning. Waffles, pancakes, they're a special thing for almost everybody. And that's why they're so appealing, and that's why they're so comforting to everyone. Now, to finish making this recipe, or at least the batter, just mix all those ingredients and stir them together. Then you're going to want to preheat your waffle iron and put some nonstick spray on it. You don't want these waffles to stick. Take your batter, pour it on there. Now the size we made, it's enough for about 3 waffles, and that's okay. You can easily scale this recipe up like we said. Once they've cooked about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat, pull them out, throw them on a plate, cover them with your favorite syrup, and you are good to go. We love this recipe. We think you're going to love this recipe too. Hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Thanks for watching Ghost Toast Kitchen. We'll see you next time.